Today we're going to install this passenger interior door panel on this 2013 Ram 1500. Alright, first thing we're going to do is go ahead and pass it right through the little lock mechanism there. Might need both hands. Alright, and it's about you're about to slide that into place. Grab this pigtail for the window switch. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to bring it down, and you're going to latch it there, pick it back up, bring it back down. There's two little hooks that slide into place from the bottom, and that holds the door nice in a spot. Next, let's go ahead and connect this pigtail from here. Perfect. And put that sucker back into place. We can also put on this cover here. Pull this door handle up, slide it in. There is two little hooks right there. Slide it into place. Put that into place. There is a Phillips screw somewhere. Put it in here, and we'll put that into place here. We'll use a Phillips screw to drive that into place, and there we have it. Just drive that into place. Not too tight because it is plastic, just enough to hold it down. We're going to go ahead and put this little clip back into place, slide that in, and seal that. Perfect. Now we have these retainer clips, a total of 6 of them. We're going to slide each one and then grab a little screw, slide the screw into place, just like so. One more time, we'll grab a little clip. There it is, and the screw. And we have 1, 2, and 3 left to go. We'll put on this cover as well. It just clips into place like so. Then we'll do these, and we are done. And the last one, and we are set. And that is how you install the passenger door panel, on the 2013 Dodge Ram 1500. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.